Before we go visit Nanjing, and the first things we need to try is the breakfast, and it's a really traditional pancake, Nanjing pancake, and it basically like it's a pie, and they put some like cabbages, some crisps, some potatoes, and some another spices, and they will cut it into two, as you can see. It's definitely the first things you need to try. It's, in Chinese we call it 煎饼粿子. We now arrive at the Chaotian Palace, and it's like the palace behind me. Dating back to the Three Kingdoms period, when it was Imperial Academy of Eastern Wu, rebuilt during the Ming and Qing dynasties. It becomes the largest Confucian temple in Jian. The name Chaotian means worshipping the heavens, symbolizing reverence or imperial authority. This gate called the Gate of Great Achievement, and only emperor can go through this door. Like you can see the giant door here, and the another like officers need to go the side gates. Since it's already winter, so you can see a lot of Ginko here. It's like shining and golden. The environment here is so peaceful and pretty, and we need to go through that door to enter the garden. This part is ancient building. It's like a really old building, and when you turn to this side, you can see a modern architectures. So it's kind of magic, like the two things combined together. Usually in Nanjing, like those kind of like old streets, like this old street, will have like a lot of local food here. And since Nanjing people really like eating like noodles, so I highly recommend there's a Zhangji noodle here, and a lot of Nanjing people eat here. You can see it's here now. It's lunchtime. A lot of people come here just to eat the noodles. Put the fork here, and then they will put the noodle on the top. The soup here is soy sauce soup. It tastes like a little bit sweet. They have some like crisp bones here, but you can see some bones here. It's crispy. I know like some foreigners cannot accept like a crispy bone, but Chinese people really like bones. Yeah? I think it will make our bones stronger. That's why we eat bones. Near the noodle, like they have, I found a really interesting street. Interesting things like The opposite is the modern stone, and when you turn this side, it becomes last century style. After lunch, like the best place you should go, like do a city walk to help you digest is the Yihe Road. Leaving the bustling city, we arrive at Yihe Road, a street famous for its unique historical charm, lined with sycamore trees and well-preserved valleys, many of which were once foreign embassy buildings. This area offers a peaceful retreat. The road in here feels like stepping back in time to the early 20th century. Do you notice like the little needle on that? That's the tallest building in Nanjing, Zifeng Tower. Greater Ming is Xinjiekou. It's one of the most expensive business centers in China. Xinjiekou is the commercial heart of Nanjing, often called China's #1 shopping district, with upscale malls, flagship stores, and a wide variety of restaurants. It's one of the busiest and most vibrant parts of the city. One of the things that attract me most in Nanjing is the combination of the modern and traditional views. We arrive at another landmark of Nanjing, the City Wall, constructed in the early Ming Dynasty under the order of Emperor Zhang. The wall was designed to fortify Nanjing as the imperial capital, stretching 35 kilometers in its entirety. 21 kilometers remain intact today, making it one of the largest and longest lasting ancient walls in the world. pass, they put the builder name on it. If something going wrong, they will take responsibility. The last tourist spot I would recommend is Laomendong, which is like the gate behind me. The reason I recommend Laomendong is because it's the most historical and cultural streets in Nanjing. And the reason the name is called Laomendong because like it's located to the east of the Zhonghua Gate in Nanjing. And it's really pretty at night. The street is become like more and more commercial. You can see like the street is not that old anymore, and there's all these patterns. It's all like mass production. But like if it's the first time you come here, you might be found it's quite interesting, because especially at night, once at night it's really pretty. Like all the lights like sparkling here. It's so much fun. If you first time come here, you can explore the street. You have no ideas where you're going. I think that's why I feel it's interesting. That's it all for today's video. Hope you enjoy this vlog, and also hope you like have different perspective about Nanjing. See you guys in next vlog.